Hey guys, Matt Edwards here with VOD RV, and I'm going to walk you through a few of our used fifth wheels and travel trailers that we happen to have in stock right now. This one's a 2021 JAYCO Eagle 317 rear living outside kitchen. This is a great unit right here. It was actually a trade-in for a bigger unit. They had so much fun in it, they got a bigger one. Nice, clean. All of our units come with a 90-day warranty on them, plus you can get extended warranty on them though, okay? But this is a great fifth wheel for pretty good price out here. Now our next fifth wheel is a biggie. This one over here is a 2020 model. It is a Salem Hemisphere 370. We've got this marked down to $49.99. Again, it's a good clean trailer, comes with a 90-day warranty on it. We're more than happy to show it to you, show how everything works. Extended warranties are available, and this is kind of cool. It's got the MORryde step system on it already. So I like those steps, man. They're so much comfortable. They're a lot easier to go up and down on. As we move on down, we've got a Coachmen Liberty Edition, okay? This one is a 2015. It's a 320 bunkhouse, okay? We've got it priced at only $22.95. Fiberglass, it's got a slide, electric awning. This is a really nice little coach. If I remember right, this one has 2 refrigerators in it. Okay, next on the list is a 2019 Aerolite, okay? Now this one has 2 refrigerators in it. I mean, this is kind of unique. So I messed up on that one. This one has the 2 refrigerators in it. It's a 2019. We've got it priced at $36,995. Fiberglass, MORryde steps. Bruce puts all the weight up here for dry weight, empty weight, and an idea of a payment if you were to, with approved credit, $370 a month. That's almost cheaper than a car payment. Okay? This is a big trailer, so you need a big truck to be able to pull this one. This JAYCO's already sold, but now I have a Forest River Wildwood. Whoops, that one's already sold. Now here is something really unique. This is a 2018 Tab. It just came in yesterday, guys. These things are really super popular. We have it priced at $18,995. It was an older couple that had it. Really clean inside, non-smokers. Just a great little trailer. We might have to do a video on this one later. These don't last very long. So this is going on Facebook. Oh, they're cowboy fans too. That makes it even better. But this is a really great little trailer you can pull behind an SUV, small truck, okay? Our next one over here is a 2018 Aspen Trail, okay? He's got it priced at $13,995 with 10% down and good credit. I mean, you can get payment as low as $150 a month on this, okay? This one's awesome. It can be pulled behind like a Ford Escort or a Ford Explorer, the small trucks. It's easy to handle and a great little weekend trailer. That's it.
That's it?
Oh, over here. Forgot. We got a Salem over here. Surveyor. And this one has not made our list yet, so I don't really know much about it yet. But it just came in on trade. Again, it's a nice little small trailer, easy to handle, has your power awning on it. We go through, test all the systems, make sure everything works. We supply you with a 90-day warranty that covers all the major components on it. It's lightweight, half-ton towable. We've got a couple more that are in the process of getting traded for and getting done on them, so give me a call, give Mike a call, give Curtis a call. We'd be more than happy to answer your questions and see if we have a trailer here for you. Thank y'all and God bless.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.